In showbiz kasi, di ba, parang especially for celebrities, of course, you're all covered with care.
Yeah,
Diba?
we are privileged, yes.
So privileged to have that kind of care. Pero kayo ba minsan do you feel na sometimes that care was parang abused just because you were a showbiz person? Like, they go beyond the care that should have been given.
What do you mean by that? Sorry.
Yung parang sobra naman tong pag-care na hindi na siya, na nafe-feel niya ng hindi tama.
I think I understand where it's coming from. Siguro kasi ang mga artista, di ba, laging nilang sinasabi na napakaswerte daw namin. Sa totoo, I'm coming off of, I think, one of the interviews I saw of Ate Juday. Ang sabi niya, dapat ang artista, ang pinakahuli talagang aaray or magre-reklamo. Dapat talaga hindi. Kasi isa kami sa mga may pinakamatataas na tinatanggap para sa trabaho, para sa isang araw. At totoo po yun.
Totoo.
Hindi po yun mali. Tama po si Ate Juday doon. Nung napanood ko nga yun, nabilib talaga ako sa ate ko yan. Kasi lumaki ako na kasama ko siya, kapatid ko siyang palagi. At isa yan sa mga bagay na nakita ko na she lives by it. No? And totoo yun, sinasabuhay niya yun. Na si ate, kahit na nung time na nagmamara-Clara kami, wow, the biggest show ever talaga. Ay, Esperanza, sorry, not Mara-Clara. Esperanza pala. Mara-Clara, part of, pero yung remake na. Esperanza. Baguhan ako noon, 12 years old ako noon. At nakikita ko talaga na kapag artista ka, grabe, lahat bibigay talaga nila sa'yo. Pero alam ko rin na hindi yun normal para sa lahat ng tao at hindi yun dapat inaabuso. Ang pagiging mabuti sa'yo ng mga kapwa mo, no, sa industriya, no, ay kasama na lang dahil nakasanayan nila na ang mga artista noon ay lagi talagang ibinibigay ang lahat ng kailangan nila. Ang resources noon mas madami. Ngayong mga panahon ito, may budget constraint na talaga tayo at ang bawat artista ay dapat makaintindi sa ganito. Maaaring pwede nating i-value, i-appreciate yung ganong klase ng treatment. Lalo na dito sa set namin, alam mo, totoo yung spoiled kami. May fruits kami, yung kape namin, craft service. Wow. Pero hindi lang
Not just for us,
hindi lang
for the entire production.
Para
Sa ring, ganun sila eh.
Kung crew ka, staff ka, kasama ka ng artista, pwede kang pumunta doon, welcome ka. And this is a whole new, it is a very, very welcome change, a practice, if I may.
In the Philippines.
Yes, in the Philippines of Rain Entertainment, because nararamdaman mo na ang pag-aalaga ay hindi lang nakatuon para sa mga artista. Kung tutuusin kami, pagka umulan ang unang napayungan yung artista. Kapag natapos ang take, ang unang bibigyan ng upuan yung artista, samantalang yung mga cameramen natin na ang bibigyan ng mga dala nila. So bilang artista, kapag nakikita mo to, hindi mo naisipin artista ka, isipin mo tao ka. At kung ikaw makatao ka, pag nakita mo na ang cameraman mo ay 60 years old na or mas matanda sa'yo, kanina pa hawak-hawak, ibigay mo na ang upuan. Para sa akin, ang pag-aabuso ay nangyayari lamang kung ikaw ay hindi nakakaintindi ng pagiging makatao. Kung ikaw may malasakit ka sa katrabaho mo, at hindi lang to para sa artista, ha? Para ito sa lahat ng industriya na ginagalawan natin, whether it is corporate, wherever you are working, no? You always make sure that the courtesy and respect you give to people should not be dictated because of their status in life or their position in the environment. Boss ka, hindi ka boss, security guard ka. Ikaw yung PA, ikaw yung driver, ikaw, lahat ng to deserve respect, deserve courtesy, deserve appreciation. So, the best for me na role models na gumawa ng ganitong klase ng walang pinipili, edad, status sa buhay, ang artista. Kasi kami ang laging tinitignan kung anong ginagawa namin. Di ba, pansin mo, pag ang artista nagkamali, ang laking bagay. Pag merong gagawing maganda, nagiging role model ka. So, para sa mga kapwa namin na artista, to your point, I would encourage na kung kaya mong magpakita ng pagmamalasakit at pagpapakumbaba, tayo ang unang gagawa nun. Kasi tayo yung lagi nilang tinitingala Pag artista ka, lagi kang tinitingnan ng pag ganito di ba? Ang laki-laki at ang ganda-ganda ng tingin nila sa'yo, kaya nga pag nagkakamali ka, parang broken-hearted ang lahat, di ba? But in truth, we're all just people. No? Nangyayari yun. So, I talaga, for one, experience this na kung sino pa yung mga veteranong artistang katrabaho namin, sila Tito Dirso, Tita Vilma, yun pa ang pinakamababa sa lahat. Yun pa ang pinaka talagang humble sa lahat, na nag-aalaga sa lahat. Kasi pag nakita mo ang pinakamataas na estado o posisyon, kagaya ng isang veteranong artista, nagbibigay pugay sa mga taong nasa paligid niya at nagmamalasakit sa paligid niya, siya ang magiging ehemplo nun. Siya ang susundin ng lahat.
Sorry, I didn't really fully understand it as
Parang ganun eh, na parang
Parang nagkakaroon ng abuse of
kami ang nang-abuse or it
Both.
kasi
Both.
both sides.
abuse of
Because
care.
no, sorry, just this is how I understood it is that we are being taken care of and are people abusing the kind of care that's why I couldn't, but I love your answer and that I adhere to that and I think that's been my practice from day one. But kasi I was thinking about it na parang ang inisip ko yung is there too much care and that it's wrong? That is the question eh. I think it's not that it's wrong, it's just that I wish that it were given to everyone else as well. Yeah, because care is not wrong. Care is what we all deserve.
Yeah.
But it's not an egalitarian system wherein we give it to everybody equally. Yes, it's very selective. And that's why I was trying to understand. Sorry, it's just I was really trying to process it. But if it's about, do you think that actors are given a lot of care? Yes, a lot of privilege. Beyond pa our set. We get away with so much. We are given so much. Literally, you're given a dessert, you're given free meals, ganyan.
Hindi ka pa nagugutom?
Hindi pa nagugutom.
May pagkain ka
May
na
pagkain
ulit.
ka na.
Totoo yun.
I mean, Diyos ko, people really almost spoiled. That's why that is right. That's why there are those who get spoiled. And perhaps, if I reflect upon this, perhaps I have at some point acted like a spoiled person on set because I am not perfect. Perhaps I have. I don't know exactly when. Maybe, sometimes sa pagod. There's a lot of factors also that come to play. You don't know kung gaano kapagod ang isang tao when you but I don't think I've ever acted naman ng inappropriately.
Parang wala naman isa. Wala akong natatandaan ko yung ganyan.
Wala din tayo nadidim eh.
See, but syempre, di ba, it's part of your self-awareness is you know you're not perfect.
Oo.
And maybe you have not been as kind with just how you deliver something, but not abrasive naman na yung to a fault, But at the same time, I really think to the question, I just want to say that it is not it is too much care. Yes, perhaps, but it is just not equal to how others are treated. And sometimes I deal with that day in and day out. That it is not a fair world, and you have to live with that. And there comes the responsibility.
Yeah.
There now comes the ensuring that people are okay or paraffol ka sa set.
Or pwede rin as small,
Yung disparity kasi, like in terms of pay, that the gap is pay. But then I think, these are things you think about, ha? If I lessen my pay, will they pay the others more? That is what I want to ask. Because, okay, if maybe I'll do this and then I'll make paraffol. That is how, and then, there are things na, and it's also beyond my control.
Lalo na sa theater.
Actually po sa theater, I don't think that the pay gap is as what? I don't think so.
Not as much as the movies.
Not as much as the movies.
Pero ang baba nung ticket mo,
Yeah.
kumbaga.
For me, yes. Oh, yes. Kaya nga, so parang in terms of production, actually, iba eh.
Yeah.
And that's why pagdating mo ngayon sa film and TV, ramdam mo yung gap. And I don't love it. Of course, syempre I appreciate that I am working and I'm making this much, but then you pay your people.
Yeah.
So sa akin na lang, okay, how do I pay yung within my control? How much will I pay people? You pay them fairly, if you can, a little bit above the average. 'Di ba yung sa akin nandun na lang yun eh. Pero yung sa set, I also think that you have to be the voice of the people.
Yeah.
And this is why in Actor, we have really tried our very best to be part of the conversation when it comes to having better rules in place. Because it is the only way to level a lot of things, hours of work, I think just simple things. We really advocated for that because you have the most responsibility na kapag dati 'di ba pag nag-extend ng oras kayo talaga ang pupuntahan.
Artista.
Ang artista pag sinabi okay kay Dimples tsaka kay Iza. Wawa tong mga kasama natin.
Yeah. You know, he's just alam ko to kay Jelle. Kasi napaka-makatao niya.
Angel of
eh. No, makatao siya talaga at na-witness ko yan eh. Pag nagkatrabaho kami, syempre, siya yung superstar, bibigyan siya ng upuan. Siya lang mag-isa kasi bilang din naman, di naman din kasalanan ng production, bilang ang monoblock o ibibigay sa kanya. Alam mo, hindi siya uupo. Sabi, saan upo ka na? Kasi pinigay na sa'yo upuan. Alam mo, sasabihin niya sa akin, uupo ka ba? May upuan ka ba? May upuan ba sila? Sabi ko, ikaw din naman girl eh. Kung umupo ako dyan sa upuan na yan, sasabihin niya sa akin, hindi ka uupo eh. Di ba? So, kung hindi ka uupo, hindi ako.
Oo naman, ang weird naman no.
Hindi siya imagine, again, to your point, it is not equal. And sometimes it's not even, hindi naman sinasadya ng production.
Oo.
Sa totoo nga, hindi naman nila yung
they're
gusto
not
gawin. Oo.
Oo.
Ang nangyayari lang talaga is, meron lang mga pagkakataon na nangyayari yun. Kaya ngayon, ang lagi ko talagang mungkahi ay kapag ikaw ay nasa posisyon at estado na tinitingala ka at tinitingnan ka ng mga tao, bawat kailangan mo maging mindful tayo. Kasi at the end of the day, whatever you do as an example to those who cannot speak for themselves, will empower them. Makita ka lang nila na, nirefuse niya yung upuan kasi hindi kami lahat uupo. Malaking bagay yun. Maiisip nila, ay, pwedeng pagbutihan. And I always tell my friends, kasi nung isang araw, may mga lumang tao kong na-meet ulit. Lumang tao I call it kasi nag-death anniversary po si Sir Deo. At makikita nila, kapag hanggang ngayon kasi, ako pa rin yung nag-drive. Ako pa rin yung...
I tell her naman to please get a driver.
This is a safety
This is a safety issue for me.
Especially na may morning show pa
May
siya.
morning
Exactly.
Oh my
Pero
God.
kasi, okay, I will tell you bakit hindi ako...
But I get it. Because I have friends na ganyan.
It's a personal
It's a
choice.
control
Yeah.
issue.
Not even a control. I think
Hindi,
ako
yung
kasi...
safety niya.
For your safety, siyempre yun.
Ako
Safe driver siya.
I'm very safe when I drive because I drive for kids. No? I have 3 kids. No? But I will tell you, it's not a control issue because I am somebody who lives with surrendering everything to the Lord, and that has been I'm on surrender. So when you're a person like that, I only drive because it humbles me. Pinapaalala nito sa akin kung saan ako galing. I used to drive my Revo. Alam mo to. I go to my teleserye. At kahit nung nagkakadena dito ako pa rin nagmamaneho noon. Ngayon na nga lang kaya sumasama si Papa B kasi ayaw niya nang mag-isa ako sa gabi dahil malayo ang location natin. At
Sinabi ko
namiss na
talaga
ako.
sa kanya.
Ah.
Kumuha ka na
Sabi
driver
mo,
hindi. Or like, magpagaling ka kay Papa B.
No, so si Boya talaga, kahit alam niya na kaya kong gawin to, he allows me kasi parte ng proseso ko bilang artista, ang manatili kung saan yung puso ko, kilala ko pa. Ayokong mawala yan.
Kaya nakatapak yung paa mo sa lupa.
At saka kasi po pag lumalaki yung kinikita mo, may tendency ka talagang
Mag-adjust
maging
din yun.
medyo proud sa sarili mo
Yes.
at nag-a-adjust ang ugali mo. Ngayon, ayoko yung adjustment na yun. My goal in life ay pag tinignan ko ang sarili ko sa salamin bawat umaga, kilala ko pa siya at gusto ko pa siya makasama. Dahil kung hindi ko na gusto ang sarili ko, may problema tayo. And driving for myself, having to get my clothes, and I still do this on shoots up until this point, helps me. So, maaaring hindi maintindihan ng iba. yung decision na yun. Pero para sa akin, it helps me ground myself at ipaalala sa akin, hoy Dimples, ganito ka nagsimula ah. Kaya pag natapos to, hanggat kaya mo, ganito pa rin. Pero buti na lang may mga nagmamahal sa akin kagaya ng asawa ko. Minsan dinadrive niya ako. At may libre pa yung kiss.
Just to clarify.
I think it's very admirable and it's
Nakikita kasi ni Liza, uy Papa B, sweet naman.
No, I think it's very admirable that but it's also what you're used to.
Yeah,
And it's
kasi ako.
sometimes hard to, because syempre ako naman, just because I have a PA and a driver, it doesn't
Hindi,
mean I'm not
hindi.
nakatapak sa
Oo,
lupa, di ba?
totoo yun.
It doesn't
It's a personal
follow. It's a
choice
personal
talaga.
choice. So, parang, yes, I do have that because there are things that I'm more comfortable na hindi ko kaya yung pag mamanehuhin mo ko ng, hindi, I'm not a very confident driver. So, and then we have different needs, diba? So parang, but I do love that. I know that, sometimes when my PA is not there and it's just me in a shoot, iba yung sense of empowerment mo din na ikaw yung
Nakaka-proud din
nakakagawa. Alam mo yun, yung parang, pero nasanay ka rin. And syempre, you also provide jobs for people.
Yeah.
Yung ganyan. So parang, or actually, sa totoo lang, yung mga kasama ko, sila yung safety net ko.
Yeah.
Sa set. Yung yung parang sense of security mo.
Security
Kasi
blanket.
parang hindi mo, kayo na yung, alam mo, mga kasama ko, simula Encantadia pa. Yung isa, simula Beauty Queen pa. Alam mo yung talagang, I like to keep the people close to me because they are also my reminders of who I am. And there may have been times that you kind of lose sight of just where you are and you kind of get lost. And so it's always nice to be humbled. And often it is God who humbles you if you don't listen. And that's
Huwag
my
na natin
experience.
hintayin
At nangyari siya talaga.
Oo.
Nangyari na yan sa
I
akin.
agree.
I mean, di ba, yung parang, I love that season in my life because it makes me a better human.
Saka mas
Pero-
masaya pag may kasama. Diba?
Just to clarify,
Depende din. Depende sa kasama.
just to clarify, sa production na ito, well taken care of kayo. Baka kasi